Downgrade your dream just to fit your reality. Upgrade your conviction to match your destiny. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. You are confined only by the walls you build yourself. The man who has confidence in himself gains the confidence of others. You attract what you are, not what you want. If you want great, then be great. It's not who you are that holds you behind, it's who you think you are not. Stop being afraid of what could go wrong and think of what could go right. You should never regret anything in life. If it's good, it's wonderful. If it's bad, it is experience. Falling down is an accident, staying down is a choice. If you have the power to make someone happy, do it. The world needs more of that. Always believe that something wonderful is about to happen. Don't be afraid to give up the good and go for great. Remember that life's greatest lessons are usually learned from worst times and from the worst mistakes. Thank you for watching. More similar videos, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.